Hello everyone, welcome to Puff's Kitchen. Today we are making everyone's favorite crispy fried chicken drumsticks. These drumsticks are juicy, flavorful and coated with a perfectly seasoned golden brown crust. They are great as a main meal or a party snack. Let's get started. We are starting with 2 kilos of fresh chicken drumsticks, already washed and dried with a kitchen towel. Drying them well helps the marinade sticks better. Transfer the drumstick into a large bowl. Now let's add the marinade spices. Half teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons chili powder or adjust to your taste, 5 tablespoons of soya sauce, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon salt or to taste and the juice of half a lemon. Mix everything well to ensure the drumsticks are fully coated. I prefer using my hands for this, but feel free to use gloves if you like. Once the drumsticks are evenly coated, cover the bowl with a lid. The longer you let them marinate, the more flavorful they become. I'm going to marinate them for at least 4 hours in the fridge. But if you have time, overnight works even better. For my daughter's batch, I'll skip the chili and use the same spices. We'll let both batches marinate and come back in a few hours. Next, let's prepare the flour coating. In a tray, add 2 cups of all-purpose flour and 1 cup of cornstarch. Season the flour with 1 teaspoon crushed black pepper, 1 teaspoon chili powder and 1 teaspoon salt. Mix everything together well. Set aside a bowl of water to rehydrate the drumsticks. Now let's reveal the drumsticks. It's been about 4 hours and the drumsticks look beautifully marinated. Give a good mix again and let's coat the drumsticks. First dip a drumstick into the flour mix. Make sure it is fully coated. Shake off any excess flour, then dip it into the water to rehydrate the coating. This will help the second layer of flour stick better. Dip it back into the flour, coat it well again and give it a gentle squeeze to make sure the coating stays intact. Repeat for all the drumsticks. For my daughter's batch, I'll just coat them in cornstarch for a lighter crunch. Now that the drumsticks are coated, it's time to fry. Heat about a liter of oil in a deep pot. I'm using peanut oil, but you can use vegetable oil, canola or any oil of your choice. Heat the oil on medium to high heat. Once the oil is hot around 175 to 190 centigrade or when you see light smoke, gently place the drumstick into the oil. Be careful not to overcrowd the pot. Let them fry for about first 5 minutes without touching them to ensure the coating stays intact. The total frying time is 20 to 25 minutes. Keep an eye on them and flip them occasionally to ensure even cooking. If your drumsticks are larger, they may need a little more time, and smaller pieces will cook faster. Once the first batch is fried and golden brown, remove them from the oil. Place them on a wrap tray or paper towel to maintain the crispiness. If needed, let the oil heat back up before frying the next batch. Now that all the drumsticks are fried to perfection, it's time to flip them up. I'm garnishing mine with some fresh onion rings. It looks very good. Let's try one. Wow, it's crispy on the outside, juicy and tender on the inside. Absolutely delicious. I didn't make any dipping sauce this time, but this would go perfectly with a spicy mayo or your favorite sauce. Enjoy! If you enjoyed this crispy fried chicken drumstick recipe, don't forget to subscribe to Puff's Kitchen, hit the like button and click the bell icon for more delicious recipes. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time. Bye!
Sudah ramai ni na. Apa ni? Aku suka mama. Oh.